model with torsion field physics as the mechanism of conveying this hyperdimensional information between dimensions to our dimension or to ourselves.
Right, and it also gives then us as individuals a more grounded perspective within which to place situations and events that are happening right in front of our eyes. It's that old adage is hidden in plain sight. And case in point, a couple weeks ago, NASA crashed a rocket into the moon. And I know you have some things to say about that.
just a tad. Yeah,
because even as let me just interject. Even as a layperson, going back to the 1960s, I've learned to read radio reports and TV reports and things, not just for what they say, but what they don't say. And a lot of times I'll be scratching my head and go, no way, that couldn't possibly be what's going on. But until we talk to people like you, we don't get a sense of what the backstory was. Well, now, as Paul Harvey said, now here's the rest of the story. So let's get into that a little bit, if you would be interested in doing that.
Well, basically the thesis of Dark Mission is that the NASA that we think we know, we don't know at all. Mm-hmm. That we have been very consciously and very specifically lied to about what NASA has really found, why NASA was really created, what its real objectives were from the beginning, from the get-go, because we're not supposed to know by fiat of the controllers of our lives, the black ops and intelligence community and the so-called secret government, of which there are many. I mean, think of it as feudal fiefdoms. It's not one monolithic thing. It's many different things. All of that focused on, when you look at a NASA mission, do you believe what the official press release is telling you, or do you, in fact, suspect that there's something more going on to which you are not privy?
Exactly.
And then, of course, if you read the New York Times bestseller Dark Mission that I wrote with Mike Barra, which is now in its 5th printing, and now we've gone to a revised edition with, as I said, 60 more pages and more photographs. The evidence that we've assembled make it crystal clear that NASA, that we think we know, bears no resemblance at all to the real agency that exists or its real objectives or why they're taking our money and doing things with it and not telling us what they're finding. And the lacrosse mission, the lacrosse lunar mission, which, you know, as you said a couple weeks ago, they were supposed to smash this spent rocket stage into the moon in an ostensible search for water. Well,